a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
The impostor, he did not even spend up to 1 hour in Biafra land. The man don't japa. He didn't even spend up to 1 hour. The man don't run come out. I like the BBC reporter. I like the BBC reporter. He say, the BBC reporter say you una know earlier this afternoon or this morning when the impostor came to Biafra land that banks were closed, markets were closed, there was no movement at all, there was no vehicular movement, no cars, nothing, that everywhere was shut down. But that the impostor came and he commissioned 4 projects. He began to mention the 4 projects. But then we look at it. When did the man arrived? When did the impostor arrived? And when is he leaving? And then it's not even up to 1 hour. The man don't run come out. The impostor, remember? Because we know that he's an impostor. There is nothing like any other. Nigeria do not have any president. We know that he's an impostor in office in Aso Rock. We know that the man came and ran away. You understand me? He came and ran away because he has seen, we have spoken to him in the language that you understand. You understand me? Even confirmed by the BBC reporter. You know, I always like this thing. The BBC reporter said, oh, today when they came, that everywhere was shut down. There was no market, banks were closed. So think again, why did bank close on a Thursday? Why did bank close on a Thursday? It's a question. Banks were closed, markets closed. He said no vehicle, no movement at all. Because there is a message that we are sending to the impostor. A very clear message. My people, the man did not even spend 1 hour. 1 hour. You know, the BBC reporter was saying that he commissioned 4 projects. Is it how they commission 4 projects? Oh my God. Have you not seen how they do it? Look at some few hungry people that are not even up to 1,000. I saw them holding one kind of banner. You know? Look at the people that welcome the dead Buhari because he's impostor. Look at the people that welcome it. People that are paid. Most of them are military officers, uniform men. They hire their brothers, you know how they do it. They hire different cars. Did you see anybody there? Nobody there. Thank you very much, Biafrans. Thank you very much, the indigenous people of Biafra, because you have sent a very strong message to the whole world to know that we are not part and parcel of the terrorism that is going on in Nigeria. I want to say thank you to our brothers in Imo State, especially. Those are our brothers and sisters that listen and obey the command of the DOS to sit at home. That is a very strong message. That is how we're going to show them that it's time for our freedom. We know that there will be no election in Biafra land. We already know that. You know, that is why they are doing everything possible to cover up. You know, look at, they use all their hired vehicle, uniform men. They are the ones that are welcoming the dead Buhari. They said that the workers, of course, the workers in where? In the state, of course, they are forced to come out, because if they don't come out, they are not going to get paid. If they should tell us the truth, if those workers in Imo State should tell us the truth, you will hear that they were forced to come out, because if they don't come out, they're not going to give them their salary. And these guys, they need money. They are so hungry. They are so hungry. That is the situation. Some few 1,000 people were paid to come out and post. I hear when somebody says, say Buhari, look at it. So I don't know why some of our people allow themselves to be deceived. It's a question that we cannot understand. We don't know how some people allow themselves to be deceived. But then when we look at history, we understand that it is not everybody that will be on the same page. But then the people that are on the same page with the reality should be the one to make sure that those people who does not understand what we are talking about, we make them to understand. You understand me? We make them to understand. That is why I'm saying that any youth, anybody in Biafra land that is doing stupid campaign, we should make sure that we teach them a very strong lesson. We are the one, we that understand what we want. We that understand the secret, the truth. We that knows the truth. We have to teach those people that does not know the truth. You understand me? But today was a success. Today was a huge success. Look at everywhere. Look at the pictures. Everywhere was empty. Banks were closed. In fact, today one is already confirmed by the BBC reporter. That is why I like it. You know, later on when I come later, I'm gonna play it from the BBC reporter, except if they're gonna remove it. You know, he said that the banks were closed on a Thursday. How can bank close on a Thursday? Today is not public holiday. Oh. Bank close on a Thursday is because we are sending a very strong message. We are sending a very strong message to the Janjaweed people all over the world that time is coming for our freedom. And when we arise, just like we are doing it gradually, the whole world will not contain us. The whole world will not contain us. Look at it. You know, everywhere was filled with military men because an impostor is coming to Biafra land. And the only way they can cover up the mess is to bring uniformed men to come around. Is to bring uniformed men. Of course, that's the only way they can cover up their mess. But then we notice something. Have you ever seen any commission, any project commission, without the president speaking or without anybody speaking? They say even the BBC reporter could not go close so that we see who is commissioning the road now. Who commissioned the road? Who commissioned the road? Corvette. Is it Corvette or what? A gutter. You know, a whole president of a country is coming to commission a gutter. What are they talking about? But then the BBC reporter did not show us who commissioned the road. We did not see who commissioned the road. There was no speech. There was no statement. There's nothing. You know, we did not, the statement, the so-called president that say, that the warrant governor, Uzodimma, did a lot in Imo State. So you came to commission a road or a project and you did not make a statement to welcome, to thank the person now that is doing the job. How can a president of a country say is commissioning a project and we did not see the president? We did not hear, we did not see, he did not give any statement, nothing. Let them keep deceiving themselves. But for people like us, we are alive to the dream. We want to say thanks to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hey, there are so many of us. 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 There are so many Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alive. There are so many Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alive that if the Janjaweed people did not take note, or in fact, if they are not careful, they will all run away. 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 My people, we shall continue to send a very strong message. Rosemary said he didn't know what to say. Does a dead man talk? Thank you very much, Rosemary. You are saying he did not know. Does a dead man talk? Oh, that's so powerful. That's so powerful. You see all those gullible people, so hungry people, so dirty people, you know, they are not even up to 1,000. They were not even up to 1,000. We don't even know how much they give them. 5 naira. You know, 5 naira, or they didn't even give them any money. You know, they will just force them to come out and stand. But then you are asking a very important question. Does a dead man talk? How can you launch 4 projects in less than 1 hour? How can you launch 4 projects in less than 1 hour? In less than 1 hour, you launch 4 projects. No statement, nothing. Even the what do they call it? The journalist and the media, they did not interview anybody. They did not interview. Hey, the fear of Biafra The fear of IPOB, the fear of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the beginning of wisdom. Hey, the time shall come. It is coming. This is the moment. This is the moment that the eyes of our people have opened. It is no longer stories. Nobody will deceive us anymore. You know, nobody will deceive us anymore. But then, my people, there is something that we must think very, very well. You see that few people came out as saboteurs. Few people were paid to come out to pose as if they are welcoming the impostor. Do you understand that? So during election, that is the same way they're going to hire people to come and lie, to come and impersonate, to come and forge election, to come and forge a result. That is the same thing. But then, what we are going to do this time around, we cannot allow their gathering anywhere. You understand me? Because I'm comparing it to what is going to happen during election. Because we know that there will be no election in Biafra land. But what we are forecasting, you know, what we are forecasting now is that they will hire people to come and lie, to come and forge result, to come and steal our vote. You understand me? But then during election, all those gatherings will be scattered. You know what I mean? We will make sure this time around is not a joke. You know? This time around is not a joke. Because this is the moment that we have to send a very strong message to the whole world that what we want is Biafra. We don't want election. We don't want any impostor. We don't want any janjaweed in our land. We don't want to be part of a group of people that kill and destroy. People that believe that when you kill, that you inherit heaven. How can we be part of those kind of people? Look at, today now we are talking about Showere, his brother was killed. So that is just one. Oh, you know, sometimes when you look at this thing, Showere, the thing has happened to him now personally. Because when we are talking about the number of our people that are killed every day, sometimes people don't understand the impact. People don't understand the impact. You might not feel it because it has not happened to you. You might not understand because they have not killed your own brother. You might not understand because they have not killed your own sister. When we are saying that they are killing our people, they don't understand. Today, we are talking about the killing of Showere's brother. Now, at least that one we know. And the whole world knows. There's media that is covering it. What about those people, those our youth, that they don't have media? They don't have anybody to tell their stories. They don't have anybody to report the kidnapping, the killing, the raping of our mothers, the cutting of the people's head. You know, that is why we are telling the whole world that they are killing our people, and some few people are collecting money to betray the struggle. The struggle. When we see that kind of people, we have to treat them properly. We have to treat them properly. You know, we have to treat them. Over 2,000 youths today is being detained somewhere. Some of them are being killed. You know, we don't even know where they are. Eh? It's a very, very pathetic situation. You know, they also lied that the impostor is coming to have a stakeholder meeting with the Southeast leaders. How many Southeast leaders attended the commission in Imo State? How many Southeast leaders? Even those Southeast leaders, themselves, they know the truth. They know that there is no Buhari anywhere. They know that it's an impostor. They know that it's an arrangee commissioning. They know that it's fake. I don't even know why the people in Imo State should not do something so big. How can you allow a warrant governor like Uzodimma to be using your resources, you know, to be stealing your resources, and to be lying to the whole world that look at what he's doing? Commissioning a culvert, commissioning a gutter, commissioning one kind of how many kilometers of road. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. We have to make sure that we send a very strong message to the whole world. And today was that day. We did it. I want to say congratulations to our people. Because this is just the beginning. We have a lot to do. This is just the beginning. We can see that our people now understand what we have been talking about. We can see that our people are responding. We can see that the people understand that they have been marginalized for so long. We can see that the people understand that they have been deceiving us for so many years. It is time for our freedom. That is the message. Every successful sit at home is a strong message to tell the whole world that we are ready for a referendum. Today was that day again. It was a success. It was a referendum to let the whole world know that, you see, it's not going to happen. It's not business as usual. It is not business as usual. You know, my people, when I talk about the Brexit, you know, most of you might know what is Brexit. You know, that the UK left the EU. You understand me? So the UK decided to leave the EU. They had a vote. You know, they had a vote. Like they had a referendum. Do you know how many people voted? Over 16 point something voted to remain. But 17 point something voted to leave. So you see, look at, there will still be efulefus. In this struggle, there will still be efulefus, sabos. If in the whole UK, developed country, 16 people voted, 16,000 people voted, 16 million people voted to remain, and 17 million people voted to leave, you need to understand that there will still be efulefus in a situation like Nigeria, where people are hungry, where there is no food. They will bribe people, they will deceive people. So you will understand that there will still be some efulefus that will be deceived. But the majority carry the vote. The majority of the people, they obeyed the command of the DOS. They sat at home. That is a referendum. And this is what we need to understand. That there will still be some people that will be bought. There will still be some people that they will collect money and allow themselves to be used. But then, what we should be thinking about now is, what are we going to do to such people? Because when the righteous people keep quiet, the wicked people overthrow. In fact, the wicked people will do their worst. But then the righteous people must speak up. You understand? The righteous people must stand up and say, enough is enough. You get the point? The righteous people must be the one to put an end to the rubbish. The righteous people are the ones that will hold those stupid people and say, and give them a knock on their head and say, are you mad? Are you mad? Because we can never back out or step down or stop talking about Biafra until Biafra is restored. Because this is our mission. This is our core. I was born to make sure that my people are free. It is my mission to make sure that my people are free. And that is what I'm doing. It is my mission to make sure that the people of Akwa is free from Jajawidism, from the Fulanization agenda, from their mental slavery, to make sure the people from Cross Rivers are free from the fake identity that they are bearing today. They don't know that they are Biafrans. We must send a very strong message. So my people, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much for making sure that today's sit at home was a success. I am personally happy. I am so happy. You have given me more power to continue to preach this gospel of salvation. You have given me more strength to continue to preach, to continue to talk, to continue to broadcast about our freedom, Biafra freedom. You have given me hope that yes, that our preaching, our teaching, our education is not in vain. That at the end of the day, Biafra will be restored. It might only take a little bit of time. It might only take a little bit of time. But Biafra must be restored during our own time. That is my mission. So I want to say thank you very much, guys. Who will be this one? Is El Sharaway. Even from your name, sir. Your name sounds like Janjaweed. You are using fake name. Your name sounds like Janjaweed. What does that mean? My people, thank you very much. I want to salute you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm so much appreciate it. I so much like it. I saw the update. I was watching the live. I said, let me come and finish it. Because they are all deceiving themselves. They are going to send a very, in fact, they know already the message has been passed. My people, we have done well. And we shall continue to do well until Biafra is restored.